starting off again. I'm heading up to Loch Morris, canoe up the loch a bit, camp tonight, then another wee bit, camp tomorrow night, back home Thursday morning, maybe might stay Thursday night day if I find a nice bit out at the Silver Sands beaches. Weather's to be not too bad, so looking forward to it.
Everybody else, as you would expect, back.
So, we change our plan. I'm going to camp here at the beach at Mora, and then in the morning I'll go over to Loch Mora and kayak up the loch and camp over there. But if I like it here I might just stay. It's beautiful scenery. Well, that's me all set up. I've guyed the tent out because it's bloody windy on here on the beach, and it looks nice, beautiful. That'll be a nice sunset day when it gets down a bit, but it's cold, so I've got my wee one Tigris stove tent with me. Great wee tent. I got the bug net for inside it day, so you've actually got a flare to sleep on, and that's my wee titanium stove. My wee Pomerley titanium stove. And inside, my Thermarest 4 Seasons sleeping bag. I was getting a wee bit of condensation in my tents lately, and then I realised you're better in that sleeping bag with just your boxers on. So I did that last week up at Loch Lomond, and everything was bone dry in the morning, so that's the solution. Just sleep with boxers on. My wee bottle there for emergencies in the middle of the night. Sometimes I bother getting the bloody zip down with my fingers if I've been sleeping for a wee while. And my wee Quechua sleeping mat underneath, and I've got a wee aluminium foil underneath that just to give me a wee bit extra protection off the ground. Well, that's a wee stove on. Then we'll get the dinner on soon. Well, that's the burgers on. They're all crisping up there. My garlic butter and my smoked cheese. Looking forward to this. So, Glenorchy for the second night. I tell you what, it's quite cold. It's actually damp day here next to the river. But it's just sitting here listening to the noise of that water is brilliant. That's the bacon on. This is the stove, saving gas. The bloody water coming out it though. That's no good bacon. I prefer the streaky, but I thought I'd try these medallions for a change. But nah, don't like it. I'll eat it, but I won't be getting them again. That's the view of the river down there. Who's up in the hall there? Bloody Christmas lights flashing.